red. It is red. Hey guys, so the wait is over. I have red hair. Yes, baby. Yes, I am so excited to finally share with you guys that I have dyed my hair red. And I really don't think the light is even doing it justice in here. It has been a 2-month process to really get my hair to the color that I wanted it to be. I go into it a little bit in the clip, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I did to get my hair this color. First, I did highlights. Well, I had somebody else do highlights, and they put on a color, and that's when I found out that my hair really doesn't take to color that well. Then I waited a month before coloring my hair again. Kind of just giving it a break, doing some protein treatments, that kind of thing, just to get the strength back in my hair and seeing how my hair would react to the color the first time, to see if I actually really wanted to go through and do it for real. Yeah, I'm just super excited about how it turned out and just over the moon with it. See you after the video. So this is the color All Mixed Up. The first time I used the L'Oreal HiColor in Sizzling Copper, Copper Red, and Just Red. So those are the colors. And then I used 30 Volume Developer, and this is the color All Mixed Up. I also used a red protein color filler and a booster, which is a conditioner. Okay, so this is the moment of truth, and I'm going to color my hair. Let me turn the light on. So you can see my hair color right now. It's a little bit red from where I went to somebody July. At the end of July, I went to somebody and they gave me highlights and a little bit of a tint to my hair, which is not what I wanted, but she was being very cautious just because it was my first time coloring my hair and I was nervous, so I think that I was projecting my nervousness onto her. So she just was very cautious in what she was doing to my hair, which I appreciate, and all of that. So now I'm gonna attempt to try it myself, because if anybody's gonna mess up my hair, I really do want it to be me. I'm going to do from here down, and then I'll do my roots last. So that is the plan. So you guys pray for me. Lord Jesus, let this come out really, really good. Please, Lord, please, please, please. And if it doesn't, I know where to find some black hair dye. Trust me. So I did want to show you guys a little bit of how I was applying this to my hair. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and with mostly professional people doing it. The thing that they were saying was that you need to make sure that you're applying it evenly onto the hair, and with natural hair it's really hard to do when the hair isn't detangled. So I was making sure that as I was applying it, I was detangling my hair at the same time. So I think that took me a little bit longer to do than I realized it would, and yeah, I was just really taking my time at first and just making sure that the product went on really smoothly to my hair. I kind of cheated in the way that I did it because I was making sure that once I put it on and I waited for my hair to really curl up before I moved on to the next piece. So that's how I was applying it to my hair, and I wasn't getting into my roots. I was leaving my roots for last. this is the color that I came out with. I want it redder. I do. I'm gonna go and do another process with red, just red, no other colors mixed in. Hopefully that'll give me a little redder tone. I like that it came out lighter than the last time, but not good enough. So going back in. All right, so it's been 30 minutes with the red, just the red by itself. I don't know. We'll have to see, because it hasn't been like, I sat under the dryer too this time. So I don't know. If it doesn't look any redder, which it does, like the top looks redder, like a lot redder. I'm just gonna wash this off and pray that it's as red as I want it to be, and then I'm going to not do anything else to it no matter what, because I can't have my hair being so over processed as it is right now. So let's wash it out. All right, so moment of truth. I put my gloves back on to style my hair because my my nails are growing out. So here we go. It is red. It is red. And I like it. What? Oh, it's red. It's dark in places and light in places. I am loving it. Finally. This is red. I'm a redhead. Okay, so I'm gonna style my hair, and so I just like deconditioned it, so I'm just gonna style it now. I'm excited to like start digging in and getting to it, so let's do it. So I went out with my sister and I had her take some photos of me after I styled my hair, and I think my hair really came out really nicely. I like how it can be really bright red in the sun, and then in the dark it's kind of an auburn color. Sometimes it could look purple in really dark light, so I love it. My curls bounced back. My hair is in better condition than before I colored it with all the protein treatments, deep conditioning, oleoplex. Like, I'm just over the moon with it. I'm just super excited, and I'm still kind of getting used to it because I'll look in the mirror and be like, oh, who's that? Oh, it's me. I have red hair now. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I definitely want your feedback on it. Let me know what you think of the color. Yes, baby. Let me give y'all a close-up. So pretty, so pretty. Probably won't do another color for a while, but I really love this one. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the products that I used. It'll all be down in the description box. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.